Okay, okay guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your Facebook profile without notifying anyone. It will not purposely notify people. It will not be on your timeline, and it's not be public that you change your profile picture as normal it used to show before when you change your profile picture. So let's dive in. So what we're going to use is we're not going to use our Facebook to change our profile picture. We're going to use our messenger. So let's dive in and go and search for our messenger. So search for your messenger here. Now this is it. Just click on the messenger here, and if you see, okay, this is it. If you see, this is our messenger. This is it. Click on the chat here now, and this is this picture. You can see this is my picture here, and that's my picture is the same thing as the one on my profile picture here. So on my Facebook one here. So let's see. Just click on the stream menu button here. And this is it. Click on the settings here. And we're going to go and change our profile picture. Just click OK. We're going to go and change our profile picture. So I'm going to take a photo right now, and you want to take from your gallery. So I'm going to choose from my library. So just click on turn on, and this is it. So you click on allow, and this is it. On here, we're going to our gallery now to go and choose the picture we wanted to use. So just click on turn on, and this is it. So let me browse for the picture I wanted to use for the profile picture. I'm gonna just choose something random. Sorry guys. Okay, let's see. I want to use something. Alright guys, so I'm going to choose this now. You can see, just click on done, and you can see save what? Save profile picture. Saving. Okay, you can see now this is our profile picture has changed. So let's go to our Facebook and see if our profile picture has also changed there too. So let's go to our Facebook here. Let's say our Facebook. There's our Facebook here now. Let's see if our profile picture has changed. You can see now. Let's see. Our profile picture has changed here. This is it now. You can see. Now let's click on this. Our profile here, and we're going to see our profile picture. Just click on this, and you can see it can change. And if you look at our timeline, you can see there's no any message